Hey everyone, what's up? We're here at the AI Conference Hack Day with incredible companies to build projects of the future. Tools like AWS Strands Agents, CodeRabbit, Friendly, Sovereign, Weaviate, Neo4j, and Vapi. People are using these tools to build the next generation of AI applications and hopefully take the world by storm. And it's happening right here at the AI Conference Hack Day 2025.
Yeah, I think what the latest thing is right now, I think the space is moving so quickly that I think even for us in the industry, it's hard to keep up. So I think seeing what else people are excited about and kind of what is the new thing to be learning, I think that's what I'm excited for.
You are among your peers and people with the same passion as you. So it kind of feels like home, to be honest, than home.
Building with Dry Data and Strands and Neo4j and Weaviate, these awesome companies. This is an awesome event.
I think we're going to have breakthrough among breakthrough. I'm very optimistic.
Thank you very much for AI Conference for making this happen. Love it.